Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do that how to create a Google form in your mobile. So what you have to do, you will search on your Google Forms. Okay, you will search on it, and then you will if you scroll it down, you will find this Google Form free online service form. Okay, you will click on it, and then you don't have to do anything. You will not click on go to Google Form, and you will not click on learn more. You will only go on this thing. You will go on this three dots. When you go on it, you will see this desktop side. You will click on it, and after it you will find this huge page. Okay, and then you have to go on Google Form. Okay, then after that you will find these kinds of pages. I am also having these kinds of pages, and these are my pages that I have created. Okay, then what you will do, you will find the blank sheet. You will have to find, if you didn't make any of a single sheet and any of a single form, then a page will came by your own. Okay, so first of all I will click on blank. Okay, and if you want that you didn't create any of your signs, then I will click on a new form, so that I will get a new form for you. Okay, see this, that I am going. Okay, and then I have selected another ID, and when I have selected the other ID, what I am getting, see, I am getting a new form by my own. Okay, then you will click on desktop side again, and this thing opens. Then you have to click on blank, and then you have to, in the ultimate form, you will write quizzes or anything you want to write. Okay, you have to write on this quiz. Okay, or anyone you want to write. Then from description you can write session or all must can damp. You can write anything that you want, 20, 21 to 22. Okay, you will write anything that you want, and after it you have to add pictures on it. You have to add question. You will write how many states we have. Okay, if you write this thing, then you have to click on option number 1. You will write 25, option number 3 23, option number 4 26, 29 or 28. You will click on this, or option 5 you will not put. Okay, and after that, if you have to drop a pic over here, you will click on this image, and then you will, if you have to search the image from the Google, then you will search on Google image, then you will write map. Okay, after clicking on map, you will get this, and after it you will click on it, and then a map will come, and you will insert that over there. Okay, this thing you insert, and you will click on this button that is required. Okay, so that the children will not must able to forget this, that I have to do a question also. Okay, this much is clear. If you have to add question, you will click on this plus sign, then the option will arise like this. Okay, and if you have to do short answer, you will click on this multiple choice question. Are you able to see? Wait just a second. Are you able to see this multiple choice question? You will click on it, and you will form short paragraph. What you have to do, you will form it. Then if you see that I have to pick some points, I have to give the correct answer for that, then I will show you how to do it. You will go on this, just a second, you will go on this setting. Okay, let us go on the setting box, and when we go, you will go on general. If you want to collect the emails of the child, if you want the quiz, who is playing quiz, you want the email, then you will click on it, but I don't want, that's why I will not. Okay, then restrict to users in the, if you want that I'm going it from the KVSRO ID, then if you are getting it from any of the organization, then you have to do yes, and if you don't have to do yes, then you will do no. Okay, and if you want that one response only, you will do limit to one response. If you want the child is doing again and again, you can do anything. Then edit after submit. If you want to they edit after submit, then no. See summary chats and text response, they will see. Okay, then I will go on presentation. After presentation, show progress bar, suffer question orders. Okay, then quizzes, make this a quiz. You want missed question, correct answer and valuable points. Okay, you will click on it, then you will save it. Then you will go on this thing, After you do the setting, then you will go on this quiz and you will found this answer key. Are you able to see this? You will click on it, and then you are able to do what you are able to do. I am going to tell you that when you do, you will get the correct answer. You will click on correct answer. If you don't want, you can not do, but if you want, you can click on it and you will write the correct answer. Then you will save it. Okay, and after that you will write how many points. If it's of 5 points, 2 points, 3 points, how many points you have to fill in that. Okay, I have filled it 5 points. And then what you have to do, this is your feedback. But if you want to do correct answer, the correct answer is 28. So this is my correct answer, I have put in it. Then you will mark done. Okay, after this what you have to do is, this much is clear to you. Okay, and if you want to see the response of your child, that if they are getting it or not, then you will share this. If you are sharing it to anybody, then what you will do, I will also give you that thing. You will go on response. If we are having no response, that's why the response is not saying. But if we share it, this thing, let me share it, just a second. But before sharing, if you want that, you can do some of the sharing, you can do anything. You have to change the template. If you want, you have to do anything that you want, you can do by this over here. Okay, and if you want to change the style, if you want to do decorative, formal, and if you do anything like this, thing will change. Okay, and then if you want to change the image theme option, if you want to change, you will choose images. These kinds of images will be found. And anything that you want to do, you will click on it. Okay, I just click the best one which I like. If you like anything that is best for you, will click on it and you will insert it. Then this thing will happens. Okay, are you able to see it? This thing will happen. Okay, and after it your quiz will be like very awesome, and you are saying that this is very like beautiful for us. Then you will click on send. Okay, then you will click on this send button. Then if you want to send it with the email, then you can want. But if you want to share it, let us share. If I share it by anyone, if I'm going to share it, this I have shared it, then the child who is going to play, they will play by it. Okay, so by this we have completed our this session. We have completed it. And if you want to see how we get the response, then I'm going to show you it in another Google form. Let us change the email first, then only we are able to see. So we have to cut it down. Okay, then after it we are getting to our page. Now this, just think that this form I am having, just think of it that I am having a form like this. This is my form. Okay, and I'm going to fill the quiz in it. This is my quiz, and I'm getting the response that I'm having. They are, the total response that I am having is 33. So how will you see the response? The response that you will see is this. Are you able to see it? Are you able to? Okay, then you will do on individual, and individual, when you will do it, you will see this. Okay, you will see this name blocks, the question that you have given. You will see that how many of the kids do wrong question, right question, you all will see. And if you want that see the next paper, you will click on this again, back, and this. Okay, you will get change. See this, they are changing, and you will also see the marks over here. Okay, so in just 10 minutes, or I say in just 9 minutes, we see how to make this Google form. And mostly I have completed all the things for you. So if you want anything, just comment below and I will make everything. So thank you and have a nice day. If you want next update, just subscribe to my YouTube channel.